Husband and wife discussing a TV show. What happened? You look disappointed.
I don't understand why these people go on talk shows and reveal the most intimate details of their lives for everyone to see and hear.
So, you are upset because of a TV show?
Yes, you know that one should not wash one's dirty laundry in public.
I guess people like the embarrassing displays of their emotions to gain more TRPs for their show.
Two friends arguing in the restaurant. I did not like what you told me yesterday in the party. You know what I said was the truth. But it's not fair to wash someone's dirty laundry in the public. Well then, I am sorry if you're hurt.